of the day. The greatest gift you can give someone is your time, your attention, your love, your concern. The greatest gift you can give someone is your time, your attention, your love, your concern. A young executive was riding his brand new Jaguar. He noticed a kid between a parked car. He slowed down a little bit as he appeared near it. A brick smashed into his car door. He stopped and furiously jumped out of a car and caught the kid, shouting, "What the heck did you do to my car?" The boy was scared but was very polite and apologetic. "I am sorry, mister. I didn't know what else to do." He pleaded. "I had to throw the brick because no one else would stop for my call to help." With tears rolling down his cheeks, he pointed his brother rolled off from the wheelchair, and he is badly hurt. "I can't lift him." The boy asked, "Would you please help me to get him back into the wheelchair?" The young man was moved beyond the words and helped him. The grateful kids thanked him, and he was shaken up to watch the little boy push the brother who was using a wheelchair. After reach home, young man looked at his dented car. The damage was very noticeable, but he did not repair it. He kept the dent to remind him of the message: do not go through life so fast that someone has to throw brick at you to get your attention. So the greatest gift you can give someone is your time, your attention, your love, your concern. Thank you. Have a wonderful day.